What's up, you guys?
Welcome back to our channel. Today we are in Lotte World.
So when you first get to this park, you will be in the inside part of Lotte World, but then they actually also have the outside area. That's where most of the fun rides are. So we are trying to figure out how to get there. Okay, I think we kind of figured it out. We are walking towards the south gate, looking for that sign. That's a Magic Island.
Oh yeah. 나 왜 오늘따라 기분이 좋아? 나도 알아. 사랑이란 말은 좀 뻔하니까. Oh yeah.
Our first stop at the theme park, bubble tea.
So normally Audrey does a lot of research when we go to these kind of theme parks, especially like Disneyland, Disney World. But for Lotte World, we did very minimal research. And we do know that we want to go on the Atlantis ride, which the waiting time is about 100 minutes right now. So our current game plan is to walk around and check out all the rides and see if the waiting time is actually really long for all the rides. Then we might purchase the Magic Pass just to skip the line because this heat is crazy. That right there is crazy. We're gonna go on that, right?
No, I was just about to be like, and that is the ride I am not going on.
Same.
Me and Jerry will be buds.
On guard. All right, me and
Wait,
Taylor will.
if you want to go on it, it's fine.
Yeah.
The boys are going on this bungee drop ride. I decided to sit out on this one. I really don't want to go on any of the rides, to be honest. This is when you know you're old. Nothing sounds fun to you. I don't want to get any motion sickness because then it'll ruin the rest of the day for me. So I'm really being picky about what I go on.
Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do. When the rules are made up by someone who never. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on Monday. Yeah, let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always put the money when you can get rich for trying to save
You guys good?
How was that?
So scary.
That was pretty cool though. I like it. Really fun. But if you're afraid of height, maybe not worth it for you guys. Okay, so now we need to take the adrenaline down a notch. So we are heading back inside to go on some of the chiller ride and also to cool off.
Cool off, have some good AC, get some snacks maybe, and yeah.
This is how I'm cooling down. I got 2 fans going. So it is now lunchtime. We got hungry and we are eating some basically like Korean street food. We got some tteokbokki and some fish cake udon.
Let's try the udon. The crust good is comforting, and it's a little bit of the, because it's cooking the fish cake, so it have a little bit of a seafood taste. All right guys, lunch was really good, and we have now decided on our next ride, which is Pharaoh's Fury. Wait time is about 80 minutes, so it's gonna be just the perfect amount of time for our food to settle before we go on this ride. One thing about this theme park is that all the instructions and all the staff speak Korean only, so just have to figure things out as we go. Alright, 1 hour later, we are now inside the ride. Impression of the park so far?
Oh, it's pretty cool. It's kind of small though.
It's a little bit small, but you
And
know.
most of the rides are spinny rides. So if you don't like rides that spin a lot, you probably won't have that many rides to go on.
Oh, but we do have a quick tips for you guys, which is buy your ticket on Klook.com, because if you buy on Lotte World website, you have to pay a full price, which is $46. But if you buy on Klook, it's only $31 per ticket.
So another thing that a lot of people do here actually is dress up in school uniforms. So throughout the park, there's actually like school uniform rentals that you can get. I think we saw it was about $15 to rent the uniform, so we opted not to do it. Also because it's really hot outside, so we're gonna be sweating in those clothes, so I'd rather sweat in my own clothes. We're waiting in line for the last ride of the day, which is called Wild Valley. We have no idea what this ride is about. We think it's a 4D ride, but not sure. Also, it's 2:32, but all the lines are too long, so we don't want to wait in any other lines, so.
You ready, Jerry? Born ready, baby.
Okay, we are out of Lotte World now, and that ride messed us up.
Yep.
I got like a headache, a little bit of motion sickness. Anyways, it was fun at Lotte World. Now we're gonna go walk around the Lotte Mall. Okay, we did not go to the Lotte department store because there was nothing interesting there to see. So now we are at a different mall. This mall, which is right next to our hotel, and we're gonna go explore that instead. This is what we decided on for a snack slash early dinner. We got the bibimbap and some sort of soup. Me and Hui are sharing this.
This is right.
Command a few words right now. He's too hungry.
Okay, we got done eating, and now we are at the Pokemon store. Just left Uniqlo, got myself some pants, really happy with it. Okay, it's a few hours later and we went back to the hotel and chilled for a bit. Now we're out for dinner. We're eating at this Korean restaurant that has like kalguksu and bossam, so it looks really good. But Jerry is gonna demonstrate to us how to make somek, which is a mixture between soju and beer. Bartender Jerry.
Let's do half. I think I might have did too much, but whatever. Essentially, you just gotta mix it.
It's okay. It's his first try, so. And now,
cheers. Oh, it's good. Fermented.
no. It's like fresh. That's some good kimchi.
That's really good kimchi.
Is kimchi so far this trip?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta try it out.
Yeah.
Here, let me give it to you.
We just get out of this romance right now.
Yeah, it's really good.
Bossam spicy.
The pork is super tender.
맛있어요.
Alright, our next dish is out, which is the kalguksu.
Let's try the kalguksu first, just with the broth. Wow, that is really good. I didn't know what to expect, right? Because the broth is so, it just looks bland, but it's packed a punch. Just like full of beef flavor, very rich, very creamy, just really good.
Alright, our last food item came out. It's a bunch of like, they call it like pajon, which is basically like pancakes. But what they do here is like they just coat it in like an egg batter and then they fry it.
They fry it.
Yeah, like pan fry it. Yeah, so this looks good. I am gonna try the fried chili. Hopefully it's not spicy. Mmm.
It's pretty good. The flavor is pretty good. All right, you guys, we are back in our hotel room now. That meal was actually really delicious. We forgot to tell you guys when we were at the restaurant because we were having a conversation and all that. But anyways, food was really good. And we are gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. And last but not least, don't forget to keep winning at life.
See you next video.
Bye.
Bye.